Hey, how you doing today? Got a signal light on the Grand Cherokee that's out. We'll walk around the back here. And the rear signal light on the passenger side is on this light. Okay, to get this light out, it's fairly simple. You grab a flathead screwdriver or something thin enough to pry that right there. You see that little notch? Okay, this is how far you have to pull it out. Then what you do is you take your screwdriver or whatever and you put it in there till you can get a nice pull on it. And then you just reach up, pull it out. This little piece here comes out just like that. Okay, this one down here. If you can get out one piece, that's nice too, like that one. Okay, but then you're just going to want to probably use two hands to be better on this, but you just want to rock it out of there. Okay, I'm going to put you down. I'm going to pull it straight out this way. Okay, there's a couple little grommets in here with like they fit in there and the grommets hold it in, but it's rubber and you just pull it out. Okay, now you see I've pulled it out, and I'm going to pull it out a little further, and it doesn't weigh too much. You can let it hang, but your signal switch is right here. And what you do is pull this out. Okay, the white one down there, that would be reverse. And the top here, you got a marker, which is going to be a small light, and a signal stop light, and that's going to be this one here. You pull this red jammy out here. Here again, I think I might have to use here. What I forgot to mention is you take it and you turn it. Okay, and it'll pop out, and you can usually tell. See how that bulb's dark? All right. Now, from what I understand, you just reach up and flip it out just like that. Okay? And you don't have to worry about the little red thing on the back there. That doesn't have anything to do with what I'm doing. Okay? You just turn it, flip it out, pull the bulb out. This isn't the new bulb, but what you're going to do is you're just going to take it. You're going to take it. See if I can hold it here. Then you're just going to get it like this. Oh. And you hear it click. There it is. And you put it in. You twist it again. Then you bring it up. You see there's two little holes where there's two little plastic things go. You see them? The little black right there, at the right of the screen, and at the bottom left of the screen. Now I'm doing this single-handed here, so bear with me. Now you want to make sure that the grommets are lined up. Okay, and then you will insert these into the hole. Okay, and then just push them in, and that's how you do it. Okay, easy peasy, right? And that was a 3157 bulb. And the bulb you want to get is a 3157, and it says KX, and this one happens to be a Sylvania. You can see it's a double filament. Okay.